Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with Mommy's Designs. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print an image on a piece of tissue paper. And the reason why we're going to be doing is because the next video, we're going to be doing a vase like this one. Okay, so for now, this video is only going to show how to print. You must use an inkjet printer, and I'm going to be using the HP DeskJet 2755E. And I'm going to put links of what I use in the description box. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to need some tape. You're going to need one piece of regular paper and one tissue. I usually use white, but you can use other colors. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to fold the tissue inwards and put a piece of tape right there. And then you're going to go on the other side and you're going to go here, just aligned with the piece of paper. So you're just going to go here and then you're going to fold again and put another piece of tape. And I like to put extra piece of tape on the areas where I feel like it may get cut up in the machine. It hasn't yet, but just in case. So on this side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a piece of tape all across. Okay, so there's my piece of paper. Okay, so now we're going to go here and go print. And the way my system is working right now, I need to go back up here and go print again. So there is our document. And I need to put my sheet over here with the paper. So it's going to go right inside, just like that. And then we continue. We're going to go copies, yes, print. Okay, so it's going to start printing. Okay, here you go. It's printed. You don't touch it right away. You let it sit a little bit, but there you go. It's already printed in the paper. And then you can cut it and use it any way you want. We're going to be doing a vase for this. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.